guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. This is the second in the series of the Lightning Strikes campaign. If you are new to IL-2, I would strongly recommend that you watch the first video in the series. That video details the importance of understanding the mission briefing, its associated maps, and the layout of the enemy positions. If those concepts are not clear to you, you'll be at a distinct disadvantage. Alright, let's get rolling. Climb north 030 to 8,000 feet through 2 cloud layers to the town of Helmand, and right 090 for 2 minutes to hit Venray. Watch for friendly forces coming down from the north. Egress heading 209. Clear as mud. Any questions? Your biggest challenge is to try to navigate, so try and help you through this. Climb up, form on your leader. The trouble with AI pilots and leaders is they don't communicate, they just do. On a multiplayer server where you're with a group or squadron, that doesn't happen. Everyone is on comms together. Can we identify that town down there as the right one? How about these 2 lakes? Sometimes the terrain can be quite featureless, especially in winter, so you must maintain your heading and speed as per your instructions between waypoints. It's pretty easy just following the leader, but after a couple of missions, you will be the leader of the whole group. And as a flight leader, you're a pretty busy guy. Now look at this very distinctive shaped town with the river running through it. Remember the little town to the right under the clouds? And turning right 091 for the final leg to the target. And there we can see the town of Venray and the target to the north. Lining up on the first target with no flak, I'm going to release the bombs first. Was our mission a success? Almost home now. We're looking for the town of Hoy. And there she is. And turning over the river at the final waypoint, 270, you can see the airfield up ahead. Let's not mess this up. And another successful mission. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you'll join me for Mission 3 of Lightning Strikes. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.